Hello, Marilyn Hall here with some more dirndl fun. If you could only have one dirndl and you needed it to last for 4 days of Oktoberfest, but you kind of think it's boring to wear the same dress for 4 days, I have a good recommendation for you. Make a dress that's black with silver trim, and then every day you could switch it out with a different apron and different ribbons. Here's a red ribbon right here, red apron, silver ribbon, blue ribbon. Right now I've got purple on. When I change out to a different apron and different ties, it looks like a totally different dress. Another fun thing you could do, of course, is different blouses, but another idea would be to have jewelry for your dirndl. Like you could put a little hook right here. Even if your dress is very plain, you could add some jewelry to your dirndl itself. You could either put it on the front or you could put it on the apron. By switching out the aprons each day, actually the aprons and the blouses are what really get dirty. Mostly that's where your food's going to go, or if you have kids, it'll get on the apron. And then you can just wash the apron each day, and as you go out, it will totally look like a totally new dress each day just by switching out the aprons. So to get more bang for your buck, go with the black dress and lots of aprons. Okay, see you later. This plain black dress really comes alive with this lime green printed apron and these shiny lime green ties. Of course, I've got the lacing up here too. Isn't this a fun color? I really like this apron. It's a shiny silver and black print. Nice big leaves on there. And then the ties, the lacing up front, silver again. And the apron is even reversible, which can give you more emphasis on the silver or more emphasis on the black. Isn't that just a fun dress? If you're in kind of a blue mood, here's a shiny polyester blue apron with the blue lacing up front. This dress is so versatile, you can just do any color you want. How fun is that? The best dress you can have is this versatile dress that goes with any color, whatever mood you're in. You can match whoever you want to match, and the endless possibilities are right there. If you like this video, please do 4 things for me. Number 1, please push the subscribe button down below. It says subscribe in red. Do that. Push the notification bell. That'll let you know whenever I upload another video. Also, push the like button. Thumbs up. Let them know that you liked my video. The 4th thing is, please comment. Let me know if you'd like other kinds of videos, specifically what other kinds of dirndl ideas that you would like me to share with you. I have a lot of ideas. I just need to know what you'd like. So do those 4 things for me. Subscribe, like, notification bell, comments. Thank you so much. See you next time.